Hey Wannabes, as our time in Houston is coming to a close, we've had an amazing time getting to know every nook and cranny of our 30-year-old travel trailer. It hasn't been without its bumps, more like 5 of them, which now includes our fridge. That sometimes works and sometimes doesn't work, but with each challenge we've learned more and more about what it takes to turn this trailer into the home of our dreams. From small repairs to big upgrades, it's slowly but surely coming together, and we couldn't be more excited about the progress we've made. Our next big adventure is right around the corner, and it's no secret that the Montana mountains are calling. But before we hit the road and head toward those stunning peaks, there's one more important task to take care of: replacing our trailer tires. After thousands of miles on the road, our old tires have seen better days, and we knew it was time for an upgrade. So if you're new here, I'm Ashlynne, and this is my husband Diego, and we're
Wannabe Travelers. Okay, this time for real. Let's go get those tires. Okay, they said if you could just pull up a little further. So what I want you to do is bring the truck this way and just pull up.
Okay.
And that's it.
Okay.
Just a little bit, not a lot.
Okay.
And they're gonna get everything taken care of.
Yay, exciting, new tires.
Woo! So we just pulled out a discount tire. Let me go over some things that will make this easy for you, us as first-time RVers and all that good jazz. Especially after the stress of our jack breaking. Something that I like to do is call ahead. I called ahead to verify our quote. I even actually had to change our wheels because they were the wrong wheels. And to verify that the tires were here. And once that all got taken care of, I verified that we could come and pick them up, right? Okay, so can you go ahead? What's the quote? What's the price on that quote? The Goodyear tires, the mod trailer, and when can you have everything ready?
It is $14.50. I didn't realize he already had a set of lugs on here for you.
Okay.
Which would cover the deal for you as it is. So, product-wise, I have the trailer tires here. I have the lugs here. I've got 3 out of 4 wheels.
Okay.
And I can possibly have the 4th one here today.
Can you email that to me or text it to me? My father-in-law is gonna come in and he's gonna pay for it. He's handling everything like a gift for us. That he's being really kind, and he wants to use his discount tire credit card apparently. So, yeah. So he's gonna. If you could shoot that over to me, I'll give him the quote number, and he'll either call you today or come in today and handle the payment.
Okay, that'll be fine.
Awesome, and then hopefully we could get. If he does all that, we could get something scheduled for next week, maybe Wednesday.
Sure, that'll work.
Okay, man. Awesome. Thank you, Hunter. Another thing that I like to do is verify with Discount Tire, can I bring my travel trailer to you? Or do I have to come pick up the wheels and tires? Which, that would be a whole nother issue. This one is great. They have a huge parking lot. And what I like to do is pull up Google Maps, satellite image it, and just make sure that, just plan ahead that I can pull in here exactly where I'm going to park, all that stuff. I even did it this morning. Ashlynne was the one that drove here, and I went over it again with her. You're going to make this turn here, and you're going to pull just straight forward all the way down, and that puts us right next to an exit. So when they're done, we're just pulling out of here. We don't have to make all these turns, all these adjustments. It's just boom, 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 go. As you heard from my call with Discount Tire, my father-in-law is involved. And that brings us to today's sponsor. Darren, you're an incredible man and just such a role model for me to look up to. Thank you so much for all the help from the day I got injured to the wedding. Everything you guys have done, you and Deborah, have been nothing but welcoming, reassuring, and loving to us. We honestly, I don't know where we'd be without you guys right now. And thank you for helping us with these wheels and tires. It's just been such a blessing. And thank you for always worrying about our safety, our well-being, and also just our happiness. I can say for myself, I've never had a support like that. And I really am just blown away by how incredible y'all are. So we love you. Thank you. See you at home. All right, you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Woo!
Okay guys, so under the seat is where I keep all of our jacks and essentially any road hazard items that we'll need. Something that I just realized is our last wheels had the same exact lug nut as our truck, so we only use a 21 millimeter. I'm gonna check that now for the new ones to make sure that we stay ahead of any possible issues coming down the road. But I'm also gonna go ahead and take this grease out and use it to grease up our hitch. Like I said, we've had issues with unhitching. Hitching is fine. It's like coming up that the latch doesn't want to release. And so I want to prevent that from happening ever again. So come on. So these are our sockets. Like I said, we used to use the 21 millimeter for both the truck and the trailer. I'm gonna take this out now and just verify that that's the case. If it ends up being two of them, all I'm gonna do is just mark them so I know which ones to grab in case of emergencies down the road, and we'll go from there. So I know it's not 21 millimeters. I think the 19 will do. All right, now I know that these lug nuts are 19 millimeter, so I'll go ahead and tape off this socket and the 21 millimeter socket. So in case of any road hazards, I know which ones to grab right away. So like I said, our hitch has an issue coming off of the receiver. So let's clean this up. I already sprayed it with some like degreaser, Goo Gone type materials. Also, this hitch was given to us by the couple that we bought it from. And so it's old, and I'm not trying to buy a new one right now.
And what are we using today?
This is just general purpose like grease, multi-purpose grease to be exact. Put it on. Before you say anything, yeah, I am using a knee pad. I'm old, and I have nice clothes. I want to keep them nice. And lastly, a little WD-40, never hurt nobody. Oh wow, that's moving way better. Look at that. Okay, so what we used to have on this travel trailer was this wheel, which I'm pretty sure is also 30 years old, and these tires. They're Towmasters SS, essentially just your standard trailer radial tire. These tires can only go on trailers, so they're not rated to go on cars. And besides that, there was nothing really wrong with it. The tread is great, there's no tread separation, outside of the only concern that we had, really my father-in-law, is the age. These were made the 13th week of 2017, so that's an 8-year-old tire if I'm doing the math right. And it was just time to replace them. It's, you know, according to him, I've been 30 years in the business. I know it's time to replace. That brings us to these bad boys. The Goodyear Endurance. This is still a trailer tire, but with significant upgrades in ratings. One being speed. It can go up to 87 miles per hour now, which we cannot reach. So we will be sticking out at a comfy 65 miles per hour. And it has a cold PSI rating of 65 to 85. And mind you, a tire shop will inflate to max cold. So if you're like us and you want a certain PSI, please let them know. I did, and we only inflated to 55 PSI, which, if I understand things correctly and out of the experiences that I've had, it'll provide us a smoother ride for everything in here. And again, this is an old RV. I don't want to cause any other wear and tear that's not necessary. But ultimately, the reason we decided to go with this tire, not only because my father-in-law said so, but for us, it really comes down to the rubber compound that's used in these. these will last longer just parked. Now, we're really excited to showcase our trip to Montana and explore Montana and show you guys and bring you with us. But realistically, we're gonna be campos and we're gonna be parked for up to 5 months. So I don't want to buy a tire now and have to replace it in 5 months because the sun rotted it out. The rubber compound in this will last much longer and allow us to keep it parked, store it, travel wherever we want, and it'll just handle what we throw at it and the road throws at it much better. Now, these wheels, they're great. No, just kidding. As you saw, like I said, the wheels that came off of this, they're just old and rusted. And my father-in-law was like, get new wheels too, man. Don't worry about it. We got it. So he got us these new wheels, and I think it looks great. These are those free lug nuts that I told you Discount Tire threw in. I asked for just some better thread protection, and they delivered. So with that being said, I'm hungry. I'm gonna get lunch, and then I'm gonna go back to Discount Tire and get my truck tires rotated. Come on. Oh. You're still here? That's been our whole new tire process for us. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, feel free to reach out. That being said, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe if you like these videos. We want to give you more of them, all right? So